right, you see this? You see this Irish moss, this sea moss right here? Look how cheap it is. $7. This is all, and it's heavy because it's loaded with water and salt. You see that? Water and salt. So this is what's on the market right now. This is not the real sea moss. This sea moss is not giving you 92 minerals. Look at that, $7, and you get a pound and almost 3/4. All right, because they found them in a pool. All right, that's not the real sea moss. This one, because it has a label, it's $15 for 2 pounds. You can't get the real sea moss for that price. And a lot of these sea moss, they come from waters that is not even tested. See, so these are the places that, you know, you guys buy your sea moss and you think you're getting real sea moss. So when I go out on the street and I'm showing you guys the real sea moss, you don't believe me. You cannot get the real sea moss for no $1.5 pound of that for $7. No way. That's what they farm in the pool. The Koreans and the Arabs and all of these guys, they know that the community is drunk on this, but they don't get you the right stuff, guys. All right, so I'm just putting this out. I just wanted to show you. I put out quite a few videos about sea moss. I'm in Brooklyn right now, and I wanted you to see. I never really carry. I'm gonna pick one up next time, and I'm gonna show you the difference between that one, even the purple one. I see the purple one. They farm them in a pool too. You know, today for the first time I saw some good sea moss somewhere else, but I didn't put out my camera. You know, that was the kind of sea moss that was dry, no salt on it. You know, look at it, just pull it out from the ocean, which is exactly what you want. You know, exactly what you want. So, guys, just remember what I showed you. Don't mess with those sea moss. They're moist. The pack is heavy because what happens is the sea moss soaks up the bacteria, the water, and you make that into sea moss. You think you're getting the real deal. You're not getting the real deal. It can make you sick too. All right, peace out.